If you live in Abia State or you have been following Abia State government for a while, you will realize that Governor Alex Otti have been able to achieve in 2 years what the three past governors couldn't achieve in 24 years. So Governor Alex Otti have revealed to us why his administration is able to build Abia State in just less than 2 years to compare to the previous governors. The governor said that one of the major things that is helping his administration is that he have no godfather. He said that is the problem, the major problem that most of the leaders before him encountered in Abia State. It wasn't about them and leadership. Abia State government was more like a business where you have so many stakeholders putting in some level of equity into that business. And when they came on board as the governor of the state, Abia State IGR and allocation will now become something that they will use to settle the people that brought money for campaign or brought money for one or two things. At the end of the day, there is no more money to build Abia State. But his administration is different. That he came to be the governor of Abia State through God. That the only godfather he has is God in heaven. So there is no godfather anywhere in Abia State that he's sharing Abia State allocation or IGR with. There is no godfather anywhere in Abia State that is telling him what to do with Abia State government. So because he have that level of freedom to handle Abia State IGR and allocation, he's able to do more with it because there is no loophole where this money is going to. Even if there is an existing loophole before he came, he's able to block all those leakages because there is nobody controlling him in Abia State, even outside Abia State. There is no godfather anywhere in Abia or outside Abia State that is controlling him, Governor Alex Otti, when it comes to the affairs of the people of Abia State. So Governor Alex Otti said that this is one of the major reasons that he is able to build Abia State the way he's building it now. And secondly, Governor Alex Otti said that he runs an administration that have financial discipline. In his own words, he will call it financial engineering. He said that is his own financial secret in Abia State. When it comes to his administration, that they run a very transparent government when it comes to the finances of Abia State. And him also having a knowledge in finance make it even better for him to handle the finances of Abia State, as he called it his own financial secret. He said that's why a lot of people will be asking, how is he doing so many things in Abia State without even going into major borrowings, and he's just using Abia State's IGR and allocation, and he's achieving so many things in Abia State. How is he able to do that? The governor calls it financial engineering. He said that is his own financial secret. He knows how to handle money. He said if he doesn't handle money well, at the end of the day, you start looking where did the money go to. But when you have that financial discipline, that you are able to account for any kobo that is coming in or going out of Abia State, you'll be able to achieve more with what Abia State have. So you see that all these previous governors, they don't even understand anything about financial management, and they were not even interested. It's all about understanding the numbers that they are going to share at the end of every month. Every other thing that have to do with money in Abia State, they don't even care. So Governor Alex Otti said that is the second thing that is helping him in Abia State. Everything that have to do with money in Abia State, he look at it very well. All the money paperwork comes to his office. Everything contractors are doing in Abia State, he looks at it very well. I know that Governor Alex Otti's administration is not an administration where contractors, different contractors are coming to steal money from Abia State, bringing contractors that cannot even handle a project. It is not even allowed in Abia State as I'm speaking to you. Every contractor they are working with, they are contractors that have been tested and trusted, because the governor said that Abia State does not have money to waste on any contractor that does not know what he or she is doing. So before any project is given to any contractor, They look at what you have done before in that area, the contracts you have handled before, how you were able to deliver, what your job looks like before they can be able to hand any contract to you in Abia State. And whatever they hand over to you, they monitor everything. Even the figures you're bringing to the governor, they looked at it critically, they observe everything. There is no space for money leakage in Abia State. So the governor said that these are the things that is helping him to build Abia State. And finally, him being a leader, he know that it is God that installed him there. And all he have in mind is how to build Abia State. He said he cannot wait to develop Abia State. It gives him hunger to see that the state is moving forward. That is who is called a leader. He said he cannot sleep because of Abia State, and he does not mind that he's awake and the indigents of Abia State are sleeping. He said he doesn't care that the affairs of Abia State is giving him serious sleepless night, but he does not care, because at the end of the day, what he's doing in Abia State is making sure that every other indigent in Abia State is sleeping. He's making sure they are waking up to a better state. He's making sure that things are easier for the indigents of Abia State. So when you combine these three things, that is why he's able to achieve the kind of governance we have right now in Abia State. And when you compare it to the previous three governors, there is nothing in common. They have their own selfish interests. Some of them have their godfathers, so many stakeholders that is controlling the affairs of the state, the money of the state. And at the end of the day, Abia State was suffering it. And that's why it looks like in less than 2 years, he has achieved what they couldn't achieve in 24 years, because he had the interests of Abia State at heart. And also he was able to block all the leakages, call it Godfather or any other financial leakages in Abia State. He was able to block everything. And that is why we have the Abia that we have today. If you're a lover of Abia State and you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, click on the subscription button right now and you'll never miss anything that is going on in Abia State.